Welcome to Amazon. Today, we have with us one of the most affordable 5G phones in the segment. The all-new realme Narzo 60X, a smartphone packed with some impressive features that will truly elevate your experience. Let's dive right into this review and know more about this budget-friendly powerhouse. First impressions matter, don't they? And the realme Narzo 60X certainly makes a stylish statement with its ultra-slim design, measuring just 7.89 mm in thickness. The Interstellar X design is a real head-turner. Holding it in your hands, I'm impressed on how sleek and comfortable it is. This slim profile not only looks fantastic, but also makes it easy to carry around in your pocket. The phone is available in two attractive color variants, Stellar Green and Nebula Purple. Now, let's talk about performance. The realme Narzo 60X is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus 5G chipset, which ensures smooth multitasking and speedy app launches. This processor is highly power efficient as well, ensuring all-day usage. A 5G-ready smartphone is a big value add in this price segment, as you can stream high-resolution video content, download or upload heavy files, even use your phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot absolutely seamlessly at blazing fast speeds. With up to 6 GB of RAM and additional 6 GB of dynamic virtual RAM, you will get the power to multitask various applications without lag or slowdown. Gaming, streaming, and daily tasks will run flawlessly, making it a reliable companion for all your daily adventures. In terms of performance, the Narzo 60X is one of the best options within this price segment. One of the standout features of the Narzo 60X is its impressive 50-megapixel AI camera. We use this camera extensively as part of the review, and the results are nothing short of phenomenal. The AI capabilities enhance the images, optimizing colors and details for stunning results. From vibrant landscapes to detailed close-ups to clear shots even in low light, this camera delivers exceptional quality, always. Battery life is always a concern, but with the realme Narzo 60X, you can leave those worries behind. The smartphone is powered by a massive 5000 mAh battery, which can easily last throughout the day, even with heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, the 33-watt Super VOOC charging comes to the rescue. With up to 50% charge in less than 30 minutes, you'll be back in action super fast, and that's simply a game changer. The 6.72-inch FHD Plus display on the realme Narzo 60X is nothing short of impressive. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, gaming, or just browsing the web, this screen makes every moment more immersive. The display's brightness and vividness shine even in the challenging lighting conditions, ensuring that you can enjoy your content indoors and outdoors without any issue. Storage is yet another key aspect. With 128 GB of storage in the Narzo 60X, you get plenty of space for all apps, photos, videos, and more. It's great not having to worry about running out of space or having to delete files. Summing it up, the realme Narzo 60X is a smartphone that checks all the boxes. Its sleek design, powerful performance, impressive camera, and long-lasting battery with ample storage make it a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a feature-rich and reliable device. I hope you had fun watching this video. Thank you so much for watching.